If I ever seen a Bigfoot, as long as somebody was with me, I'd fight it. So we're here walking through the woods, kind of nice. Thought I heard some deer earlier, but I usually get freaked out and think a deer is actually a squirrel. I think everybody that's ever deer hunted thinks that.
Squirrel's actually a deer.
Yeah, squirrel's actually a deer. I think anyone that's ever deer hunted just fell for that trick before. It's amazing how two squirrels jumping through some leaves sounds just like a deer walking. It's crazy. I think Amanda's having a good time. You having a good time, babe?
Yep.
So it's nice to get out of the house and kind of just enjoy nature, especially on this. Yes, it's an amazing day.
December 6th.
Yeah, and it's like it's probably 60 degrees out.
I really don't even need that.
Yeah, you don't need that. It's probably 60 degrees out, I'd say, if I was to guess. But yeah, it's real pretty out here. We're gonna come back definitely in the springtime. Maybe bring the new puppy out, both puppies. Logan, I think, would enjoy this so much. Sun's just starting to come down, as you can see. Still got a couple hours left before dark time. So yeah, but we're having fun. So we're gonna keep you guys up to date on what's going on out here. If we see any good stuff, we'll try to take pictures of it. Okay.
Watch the Colts game tonight.
Colts. Go Colts.
Got my Colts shirt on.
I got one on underneath this too.
Yeah.
But yeah, it's we're having fun, right?
Yeah.
Isn't it nice being out here like this?
Yeah.
This is way better than sitting on a dang couch.
I will say it's like
Oh, here's some more deer tracks.
definitely not as pretty as Kentucky.
Oh yeah, it's not as pretty as Kentucky, but
So what were you saying now?
well, right when we moved to Texas, I was watching this show on the Discovery Channel about what different regions call the Bigfoot. You know, they got the Sasquatch and some kind of something down in New Orleans, they call it like a bayou monster or something like that. Well, here, oh, there's a duck. Here in Texas, they got one, and it's here in Lake Worth, and it's actually been seen in the 70s, and they call it the Lake Worth monster. And I was just telling Amanda that if I ever seen a, there we go, get me in focus. If I ever seen a Bigfoot, as long as somebody was with me, I'd fight it.
As long as someone was with you.
Yeah, so they could videotape it.
So you like had evidence?
And yes, there would be complete evidence.
Everything though, like everybody would just be like, oh, that's edited or whatever.
If I died, it'd be worth dying for, to prove that there is a Sasquatch.
Really?
So, yeah.
That'd be worth dying for.
Heck yeah.
That.
Yeah, because it's conspiracy theory. So if I see the Lake Worth monster around here, I'm gonna pick a fight with him. I'm gonna talk about his mama or something like that. I will. You think I'm lying? Ooh, look.
This is a very spooky little.
Well, yeah, like when we were coming down through here, I was like,
I wonder if they do the Halloween stuff.
We're gonna be on CNN or something like that. Like somebody's gonna try to kill us out here in the nature park. But yeah, if I find the Sasquatch out here, talk about his sisters, whatever I gotta do, and I'm gonna give him a 1-2 punch.
We just got home from my concert. I guess Bill's gonna make some bacon. I guess he's hungry. I'm pretty hungry too because I didn't eat dinner. Anyhow, I thought my kids did pretty well. I think pretty much all of them came. I think maybe 2 of them didn't show up, but out of almost 60 kids, that's pretty good. So Logan, what you doing? What you doing, buddy? No. Mr. Man. Anyway, did you miss us? Did you miss us? Oh, did you miss us again? Anyway, so as you probably just watched, we went to the nature center on Sunday, and it was really fun. Did you like it?
Yeah, it was good.
Yeah.
Mm-hmm.
How do you think our concert went? Well,
I don't know.
my concert, not his concert, but he helped a bunch. Like, I don't know what I would have done, but anyway, do you think it was okay?
Yeah, it was good, babe.
Bacon for dinner.
Bacon and grilled cheese.
Bacon and grilled cheese, really?
Yeah, well,
That's a very odd combination.
it's a breakfast combination, Jackie.
Grilled cheese.
Grilled cheese is
Grilled
breakfast.
cheese is not breakfast.
Grilled cheese is breakfast.
Grilled cheese is not breakfast.
Breakfast?
Breakfast.
Breakfast. Once you are able to say it right, then you can start judging me. It
Anyway,
is breakfast.
we're going to bed. We're eating and then we're going to bed. Bye.